Okay, guys, um, let me show you how to do those sketch. I do not call those quick sketches because you need to spend a fair amount of time, right, to study each one, and also you need to analyze. The most importantly, you need to understand the structure, the the proportion of the head. All right, so let me do few of those portraits so you can see how I do this. And most importantly, right, here's the thing, right? You see the head, right? You see lots of curved lines, but I want you to use straight line. I want you to use all kinds of straight line, right? Use all kinds of straight line. See, all kinds of straight line to do the job. All right. For example, the first one. See, I have the straight line. Right. I use the straight line to do the head. And then remember the proportion, right? The eyes right in the middle is the rule of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, right? The rule of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Right, from the glabella, right, in the middle of the eyebrow, right, to the bottom of the nose, right, and then from the bottom of the nose to the bottom of the chin, and then from the middle of the eyebrow to the hairline, right, and we have the rule of third, the rule of third. That's the very basic rule for the proportion, the head proportion. See, nothing but straight line, right? And what about the eyes? Okay, there's no detail for the eyes, so you don't have to do that detail. Okay, just know the position. And then this line means what? The male had the cheekbone, right? Very obvious cheekbone. For the male hat. Right. There's no detail. And then in the middle, 1/3. That's where the position of the ear. Position of the ear. And then the head. And neck as well. And then for the male, we have the Adam apple. See, that's the basic one head, right? And then what about the next? Right, same thing, right? Let's use straight line. Nothing but straight line. And this one, all right, the one's looking down, right? Then the head is like a ball. Let's still use straight line to do the whole work. See the brow ridge. Okay. The cheekbone. Then the mandible, right? The bone and then the chewing muscle. And then moving forward, that's where the ear. And then from this angle, you see less lips, right? You see a little bit less for the lip. That's another one. All right. Okay, so just like this, right? What else you need to think about? So here's another one, right? So let me show another one. See, I have lots of lines here, right? It doesn't have to be very clean, right? Because you are learning the structure, learning the proportion, right? It doesn't have to be very clean. Even for me, you see, I'm trying to, right? Understand the structure. Then it's okay to be a little bit messy. Seriously, really, you don't have to make it really clean. That's not a requirement. Alright? You understand the structure. Right? This side, that's the side of the hat. Okay, that's the ear, that's a stripe burn. Okay, see, understand the structure. That's the cheekbone, and then what's this? That's a brow ridge. Jawline here, the eye socket. This is eye socket. Eyes will be in it. Like I said, we're trying to understand the structure. You don't have to make it really, really clean. Instead, I like to see the process, because this is a process of your analyzing and thinking and trying. I want you to keep those lines. All right? I want you to keep those lines. All right? This is another one. Okay? That's how we do this.